What's up, YouTube? So today I want to show you guys an idea that I have. I have this what it looks like it is 20 gallon 20 liter container, and I basically I've been wanting to buy an oil drain pan, but imagine the oil. Basically, you're gonna drain a 8-cylinder engine. It's about 8 liters, a little bit about 8 liters and a half. So if you think about it, this one is a 20 liter. So that means if we cut it in half, we're gonna be able to put 10 liter on one side and 10 liter on the other side. So let's make a free drain pan and see how this comes out. I'm gonna be using this cutting thing. I have a regular this one is to cut this one is to cut concrete or like a tile, but I'm just gonna use it to make to cut it real quick. It's gonna be the same process. As you can see, there's a line already and all across in the middle of the container, so I'm just gonna follow the line all around and let's see what happens. Alright, so far it's been cutting about half of it. Right here on the handle, I'm just gonna go straight through the metal to have handles on both of the halves. And right here, I don't know how to do it yet. I think I'm gonna go around it and leave a spot and then keep going. Alright guys, so I basically went all across the container. It's already cut, you can see. Right here there's a spot where this doesn't go through, so I'm just gonna use this one to cut it, to make it go through. There it is, already went through. Now there's a little spot over there that I want to cut with this one as well. It's basically the part of the handle here. The disc doesn't go all the way in, so I'm gonna have to use this one and do it by hand. Yeah, I'm just gonna go around it with that one. Let's see how does it came out. There it is, guys. So the reason why I left this one here is because when I drain my oil out of here, I want to be able to line it up through this hole and try not to make such a mess if I pour it up through the side or through here or through the back. This one is gonna be just like a spare container, maybe just to clean parts or to do like a little transmission fluid change, or just for when you're spilling anything, any type of fluid. But so for the purpose, guys, this is gonna be basically my oil drain pan that we made real quick. If you don't have the disc to cut it, you can use one of these. You can buy it for like $3 at Home Depot and do it by hand. Just put like a little handle here. You can put like a little handle, tape or whatever. But look, I choose this material because it's pretty thick. I got a little bit of sandpaper here if you want to make it nice and smooth on the edges. This one I'm gonna be using it for a while. I really like it, so I want to make sure it's not rough on the edges, especially here on the handle. So from here it's up to you how much time you want to spend on it. If you really want to use it one time, but this one I'm gonna keep it for myself, so I want to make sure it's nice and smooth on the edges. Alright guys, so we have our container ready. It's already cut up and we're gonna put it to the test. Let's see if it works. There it is, the drain plug's loose and we have our oil container working good. This is a 4-cylinder car, so it's not gonna get that as filled. Success. Alright guys, so let's see how we can take out the oil filter now. Nice, I think it's nice and solid. You got a handle if you wanna pick it up, and let's put to the test, guys. Hope you guys like it. Hope you guys learned something today, and don't forget to subscribe.